So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be routine of 29th June 2025, and today is Sunday. So basically, in this video, I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video. So without having any further delay, so let's start today's video. So today, first of all, I woke up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then tomorrow is going to happen my Hindi, my exam. The subject name is Hindi Bharatiya Bhakti Parampara or Manav Mulay. So paper, right? So after I studied, right? Then after some time later, I drink sattu, right? I don't know what we call what I don't know what should I call sattu in English. I don't know actually what actually call sattu in English, right? So after some time later, I talked to my mother, and I again made sattu for my mother and me, right? So after that, we drank sattu, right? So basically, the second form of drink, maybe I think it's a drank or drunk, maybe it's third form. Okay, I will check it, right? So and after that, I ate fried rice. Then after some time later, I went outside to purchase milk, and after that I came home. Then after that I studied. Then at the time of evening, I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happening in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is all what has actually happened, and by this video I'm gonna to complete the 571 days of routine video, right? Approximately 1 month routine video is or more to complete the 600 days of continuously shooting the video, right? So yes, so basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. Now I'm going to revise some law subject, something for study purpose, right? Also as well as my reading habit is also gonna be increased. So basically, lifting of corporate bill under judicial decision, uh, that could be protection of revenue, to know the character of company, can be enemy character, right? To prevent the fraud or improper conduct, right? And to check avoidance of welfare legislation, and where a company acts as an agent of its shareholder, right? So if there is an arrangement between the shareholder and a company, to the effect that the company will act as agent of shareholders for the purpose of carrying on the business. The business is essentially of the shareholders and will have unlimited liability. Okay. Now, um, definition section 2, uh, relevant definitions for exam point of view. So first is private company. Okay. Section 2 of 68. Private company means a company having minimum paid up share capital as may be prescribed, and which by its article restricts the right to transfer its shares, except in case of one person company limits the number of its members to 200, provided that where two or more persons hold one or more shares in a company jointly, they shall for the purpose of the clause be treated as a single member, provided further that persons who are in the employment of the company and persons who, having been formerly in the employment of the company, were members of the company while in that employment and have continued to be members after the employment ceased, shall not be included in the number of members, and prohibits any invitation to the public to subscribe for any securities of the company. The requirement of having a minimum paid up share capital shall not apply to Section 8 company formation of companies with charitable objects, etc. The above mentioned exemption shall be applicable to a Section 8 company which has not committed a default in filling its financial statements under Section 137 of the Companies Act 2013 or annual return under Section 92 of the said Act with registrar. Okay. Now, holding company. Section 2 of 46. Holding company in relation to one or more other companies means a company of which such companies are subsidiary companies. Okay. For the purpose of this clause, the expression company includes anybody corporate. Subsidiary company or subsidiary in relation to any other company, that is to say the holding company means a company in which the holding company, okay, controls the composition of the board of directors or exercise or controls more than one half of the total voting power either at its own or together with one or more of its subsidiary companies, provided that such class or classes of holding companies as may be prescribed shall not have layers of subsidiaries beyond such number as may be prescribed. Explanation. For the purpose of this clause, a company shall be deemed to be a subsidiary company of the holding company even if the control referred to it subclause or subclause is of another subsidiary company of the holding company. The composition of a company's board of directors shall be deemed to be controlled by another company if that other company, by exercise of some power exercisable by it at its discretion, can appoint or remove all or a majority of the directors. The expression company includes any body corporate. Layer in relation to a holding company means its subsidiary or subsidiaries as per the company's specification or definition details rules 2014. As per the notification dated 27 December 2013, Ministry clarified that the share held by a company or power exercisable by it in another company in a fiduciary capacity shall not be counted for the purpose of determining the holding subsidiary relationship in terms of the provisions uh, of section 287 of the Companies Act 2013. Okay. Yes. Public company. Public company means a company which is not a private company and has a minimum paid up share capital as may be prescribed. Provided that a company which is a subsidiary of a company not being a private company shall be deemed to be public company for the purpose of this act, even where such subsidiary company continues to be a private company, its articles. Since nothing has been prescribed as so far, thus there is no minimum paid up share capital to form a public company. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by the central government or by any state government or governments, or partly by the central government and partly by one or more state government, and includes a company which is a subsidiary company of such a government company. Example: X is a company which 50% of shareholding is held by central government. X is not a government company as there is no compliance or minimum holding of paid up share capital, that is at least 51% by the central government or by any state government or governments. Explanation. For the purposes of this clause, the paid up share capital shall be constructed as total voting power where shares with differential voting rights have been issued. Associate company. Section 2 of 6. Associate company in relation to another company means a company in which that company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company of the company having such influence, and includes a joint venture company. Explanation. For the purpose of this clause, the expression significant influence means control of at least 20% of total voting power or control of or participation in business decision under an agreement. The expression joint venture means a joint arrangement whereby the parties that have joint control of the arrangement have rights to the net assets of the arrangement. Video circular dated 25th June 2014. It has been clarified that the shares held by a company in another company in fiduciary shall not be counted for the purpose of determining the relationship of associated company. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened. So I think it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you all. Bye bye.